Having trouble with the Wi-Fi connection that keeps auto-disconnecting issue on your iPhone? Stick around. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through some simple yet effective solutions for fixing the Wi-Fi keeps dropping issue on your Apple device. So let's begin. Before doing anything else, make sure you have tried some of these basic methods. Toggle off and on the Wi-Fi. Enable or disable airplane mode. Force restart to the iPhone. Reboot Wi-Fi router. Still having the issue? Then follow next. Solution 1. Forget and rejoin network. Open the Settings app, then go to Wi-Fi. Now tap on the I button next to the connected network. After that, tap on Forget this network. Then press Forget to confirm and reconnect this network again. Make sure to put accurate password while connecting. Solution 2. Turn on the auto join. Open the Settings app. Then click Wi-Fi. Now tap on the I button next to the connected network. Next, enable the auto join. Solution 3. Turn off Wi-Fi assist. Open the Settings app. Tap on cellular, then turn this on. Scroll down and find Wi-Fi assist. Now toggle it off. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app, then tap General. Scroll down. Now select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on the Reset option. Then hit the Reset Network settings. Now enter your iPhone lock screen passcode if prompted. Finally, click on Reset Network setting again. So that's all for today. I hope this video was useful in fixing Wi-Fi keeps losing on your iPhone. If so, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech tips and tricks. Or if you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. See you next time!